In the 1980s, this was the center of the universe. Fresh food and thousands of people laughing. It was the absolute kingdom of the American dream. Is silence. Welcome to the graveyard of America. To understand why these megastructures are rotting away, we have to go back to the beginning. After World War II, the American suburbs boomed.
People needed a place to gather. And in 1956, the first indoor shopping mall was born.
It wasn't just a place to buy clothes. It was designed by architects to be a psychological utopia. A place where you lose track of time, forget the outside world, and just spend money. The first killer was corporate greed. Developers went into a frenzy, building thousands of malls, often right next to each other. At one point, America had twice as much retail space per person than any other country in the world. It was a ticking time bomb. Then came the internet. Platforms like Amazon changed the rules of human psychology. Suddenly, going to a physical store felt like a chore. Why drive to a mall when the entire world can be shipped to your doorstep with one click? But the final nail in the coffin was the death of the anchor stores. Malls rely on giant department stores like Sears or Macy's to attract the crowd. When these historic empires went bankrupt, the foot traffic vanished overnight. Without them, the smaller shops couldn't pay the rent. It was a domino effect.
Look at this. This is the Rolling Acres Mall in Ohio. Once a bustling hub with over 140 stores, it is now completely abandoned. Nature is literally reclaiming the building, with trees growing through the floorboards and snow falling through shattered glass roofs. It feels less like a shopping center and more like a scene from a zombie apocalypse movie. Malls didn't just die because of technology. They died because our culture shifted. We traded physical human connection
for the convenience of a screen. These massive concrete ruins are monuments to a bygone era, a time when we used to look up, gather, and share spaces. The kingdom of retail is gone, leaving behind nothing but the echoes of the past. If you want to explore more stories of failed empires, hit subscribe